Hello everyone, I'm Vijay, working for Kerv Digital as Principal Engineer. In this session, we're going to walk through harnessing the power of dependent assemblies in Dynamics 365 plugins. In Dynamics 365, plugins are a powerful tool for extending and customizing the functionality of the system. One important concept to understand when working with plugin is this dependent assemblies. We'll explain what dependent assembly is, how to use them, and the benefits they offer. Let's quickly look at the agenda. Long-standing challenges of a traditional plugin, why to use dependent assembly, followed by a demo using a third-party assembly. Let's look at the long-standing challenges of the plugin. The traditional plugin code must be encapsulated and deployed as a standalone assembly. Only a core set of .NET Framework and the XRM SDK assemblies could be referenced as they are available in the database sandbox runtime environment. This limitation meant having to either write a low-level code in plugin or use a shared project, which will eventually increase the size of the plugin assembly, or use an unsupported or unreliable assembly merging tool such as ILmerge. Now, let's look at what dependent assembly is. Dependent assemblies are the additional libraries that contains code required by the plugin. They can be used to provide functionality that is not available in the standard CRM SDK or to simplify complex operations. Dependent assemblies are added to a plugin project and deployed alongside the plugin assembly. The dependent assembly can be added to a plugin project as a NuGet package. This NuGet package consists of a plugin assemblies and the dependent assemblies. This NuGet package, when it is uploaded to Dynamics, it is stored in a table called as plugin package. The contents of the NuGet package are stored in file storage. If you look at the screenshot on the right hand side, there are two DLLs, demo DLL and the Newtons.json DLL. Now the demo.dll is the actual plugin assembly and the other one is the dependent assembly. Now, let's look at the advantages of using the dependent assembly. Code reusability. By referencing a common library using dependent assemblies, developers can reuse code across multiple projects. This promotes consistency and reduces the risk of errors. Access to third-party libraries. Dependent assemblies enable developers to integrate third-party libraries into their plugins. This basically opens up a world of possibilities, allowing for enhanced functionality and integrate with external systems. Improved performance. By offloading complex logics to external libraries, plugin can run more efficiently, leading to improved performance. For this demonstration purpose, I'll use Newtons of JSON as the third-party library, and I'll have a plugin on create of an account on pre-operation, and I'll pass a JSON and using this Newtonsoft.json library, and will default a name of an account with Kerv Digital. So for doing so, we need to have the plugin package type project that needs to be created. So there are two ways how this project can be created. One is using the PowerUps CLI. Another one is using the Power Platform tools, which is an add-on extension for Visual Studio. For this demonstration purpose, I'm using the PowerUps CLI. I've opened the developer command prompt and I am in the folder where I want the project to be created. So I'll run a command which will basically go ahead and create a new project for me. And the project name is codedigital.plugins. I'm going to go ahead and run this. And this will eventually go ahead and create the project. So I'm going to go to that location, and this is the location, and I'll have the project which already got created. I'm going to go ahead and open that project, and I have the base class and the plugin class. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a NuGet package of Newtonsoft.json. So I'm gonna go ahead and browse that. Yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Okay, and as I can see, it has been installed. Okay, now I want to have a new class file called as component. It's basically just a model. And in this company class, I just have one variable called as new. And I'll rename this plugin to be operation on account. And I'll just open the plugin class and I have the code which probably I can reuse it and it is on the account entity. Now I'll go ahead and create a JSON in a string and we'll try to pass that JSON using the soft. And since this is a pre-operation, I need to make another service update. So I'm going to go ahead and update the name as okay. Okay, the plugin is ready. I'm going to go ahead and just build it. Okay, the build is completed and I'll open the folder and the file explorer. Okay, and if I just go to the bin and under debug, I have a NuGet package file which is already created. So this is the file which needs to be uploaded to uh, Dynamics. So let me open this NuGet package file using the package explorer file. Okay, and if I just expand this library, and they have two DLLs. One is the third-party library, another one is the actual plugin class. Okay. Now I'll go ahead and register this package file in Dynamics using the plugin registration tool. I have a plugin registration tool which is already connected to the target environment. I'm going to go ahead and click on register button and go ahead and select a new package. And I will select the package which was created earlier by the plugin project. I'm going to click on open and then select the solution. And just click on import. So at this stage, the plugin assembly gets registered and it will be visible in the plugin registration tool. Okay, the package has been registered. As you can see, the assembly exists and also the plugin which we have created. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and create a new step. Then we let's create and it's on account and the operation which we have chosen is the operation. I'm going to go ahead and register this step. Okay, the step has been registered. Now let's move to the D365 and view what's happening over there. I have the Dynamics environment opened. The plugin is registered on account entity, so I have the account entity opened. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a new account. I'm going to give the name as demo account. Ideally, the plugin which we have registered should change this name from demo account to Kerv Digital. I'm going to go ahead and save. As you can see, the name has been changed to Kerv Digital. That's all I have in this session. To just summarize again, dependent assembly is a crucial concept in CRM development. Proper use of dependent assembly can simplify deployment and improve application performance. I hope this video helps. Thank you.